Hey guys, today's video is going to be my June Boxycharm unboxing. They sent me 2 boxes this month. I got the base box and the Luxe box. I'm going to show you guys what I got in each box. We're going to start with the base box. You guys all know what Boxycharm is, right? I've been making these videos for 7 years. The theme for this month is Express Yourself. Very fitting because June is Pride Month. Okay, we're going to set that aside. We're going to throw that paper aside. Throw that paper aside. Okay, first thing is from Beauty Vault. It's an eyeliner, retails for $18. It is a highly pigmented liquid liner. It's long wearing and waterproof. The felt tip glides easily to create precise, clean lines. Eyeliner. You guys know I can always use another eyeliner. I say that in every video because I feel like I get eyeliners in like almost every Boxycharm. All right, next, we have some Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Extra Strength Long-Term Lip Plumper. Retails for $32. This is this a color? Is this just what? I'm not really a fan of lip plumpers because I don't like the way they make my lips feel. But I'll try this. I will. Don't look at my nails. Don't look at them. Okay, next is from Vi's Art. This is an eyeshadow palette? No. It's a bronzer. This is the bronze. No, I don't know how to say that word. There's the packaging. This retails for $30. It says, create all over warmth and dimension with this lightweight, long-wearing matte bronzer collection. Add shape and structure or create a sublime, sun-kissed complexion. Again, I showed you packaging. What am I doing? Oh, wow. Look at this. You like open it like, oh, wow. Yes. Okay. There it is. There's the color. Next thing in the box is from Dr. Brandt. This is the Backlight Primer. Backlight Primer retails for $38. Formulated to fade out your biggest beauty boundaries, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and pores. The antioxidant-rich formula. I feel like that's like a line that every skincare item uses. Antioxidant-rich formula. It gently blends into the skin, providing a smoother appearance and prolonging the wear of makeup. So I have Grand Canyon pores. You guys can't see. You can't see because my lighting's bright. But I have Grand Canyon pores, and I've got pretty intense wrinkles on my forehead. So I'm going to try this. I used my maybe what? No. I was going to say Maybelline and then Baby Lips. Maybelline Baby Lips, not Baby Lips. Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. I was using that. Do they even still make that? I haven't used a primer in a while, but I will try this out. Last thing in the box is a palette from Voss. This is the Sun-Kissed Summer Palette. Retails for $37. Achieve the most iconic summer looks year-round with universally flattering warm neutrals from sunny to blazing hot rose golds. Ooh, yeah, pretty packaging. Let's see what the colors look like. So pretty, like perfect. Sorry, I keep blinding you. Yes, really pretty colors for sure. Okay, so this box, I'm definitely excited for this palette. The primer, yes. I'm not really a bronzer person, so I'm probably going to give this away to someone. Not a fan of lip plumpers, but I'll try this out. I've heard good things about this. And then can always use another eyeliner. All right, now we're going to open this guy. Dun, dun, dun. Something smells. I can smell something in there. Okay, first thing is a NARS lipstick. Okay, retails for $26. No rules, just lips. A new formula. Dynamic blend of moringa, and passion fruit seed oils enhances color vibrancy and conditions lips for radically lightweight wear and unprecedented feel. This is in the color Chelsea Girls. I'm showing you the box. Let's see. Guys, there's something smelly in here. It kind of smells good, but I don't know. Okay, yes, I will wear this color. Very pretty. Next thing in the box is from Patrick T.A. Beauty. This is the Major Glow Lip Shine. Retails for $22. A universally flattering high shine lip gloss with the cushion and slip of a lip balm for zero stickiness, all shine. This is in the color She's Expensive. All right, that looks pretty. Something in here is very smelly, and I don't know if I like it. All right, let's see. Ooh, smells minty. I mean, I don't know why I'm bothering to swatch it. It's just a shiny, lip gloss. Next thing is from Rare Beauty. Is that, whose makeup line is that? Why can't I think right now? This is the Discovery eyeshadow palette. Retails for $29. Inspired by Selena's playful side, these berry and rose based Selena Gomez. This retails for $29. It's kind of cute. Okay, those are actually really pretty colors. Next thing in the box is Wishful. This is the Honey Balm Jelly Moisturizer. Retails for $43. A luxuriously textured jelly meets balm moisturizer infused with honey to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours and soothe skin. I need a new moisturizer actually, so I am excited to try this. Ooh, I like that packaging. Pretty. Lavender, honey, niacinamide, and turmeric. Definitely smell the lavender. I don't know if I want lavender on my face though, because I kind of have sensitive skin. I'll try it, hopefully, fingers crossed. This is from Elemis. This is the Clarifying Clay Wash Skin Clearing Facial Wash. This retails for $49. Deeply cleanse pores and reduce silica blemishes with this purifying facial wash. Specifically formulated for oil or blemish-prone skin. The non-drying formula infused with kaolin. Okay. I don't have oily or acne-prone skin, so yeah, this says for blemish-prone skin. I don't have that, so I will probably give this away to someone. Keys Soul Care. Let Me Glow Illuminating Priming Serum with niacinamide. There's that word again. Retails are $26. A hydrating, illuminating complexion and makeup priming serum that reveals a healthy golden glow while helping brighten, plump, and smooth the look of your skin. All right, Let Me Glow illuminating serum. Okay. Still don't know what smells. Next thing is from Iconic London. Where are you? Sheer Blush. Retails for $27. Sorry, I'm like, Formulated with a unique gel to watercolor texture, this blendable and buildable blush melts right into skin to give you a soft lit from within flush. A lit from within flush happens when I like work out. I don't need to apply blush. That's what it looks like. Okay. And the last thing, guys, what does that smell? Is it? Oh, I think it's this. Oh, it is. It's this. It's the clay wash. Oh, yeah. Did it open? Why is that so powerful? Is this open? Oh, there's no like seal. Ooh, that's a little sketchy. Yeah, I don't like that smell. Okay, last thing in the box is from it's from UV Beauty. This is the BU Limited Collection. It includes free full size and 3 mini antibacterial blenders to keep your skin clear and prettier by preventing bacterial growth throughout this retails for $65 for 3 blenders, 3 big mamas and 3 little babies. What? The 3 big ones right here, and then the 3 babies. $65. What? Why? That's crazy to me. I would not. No. Nope. Okay. My thoughts on this box. These guys. That's a lot of money. Not happening. The blush, I'm not a blush person, so I'm going to give this away to someone. We're going to put it back in the box. This clay cleanse. Oh, yeah. Man, that's really strong. Clarifying clay wash. I don't have acne-prone skin, so I'm not going to use this. That's just really, really strong. Okay, what is this? Oh, yeah, the Let Me Glow Serum. I will definitely try this out. Excited to try this new moisturizer. This eyeshadow palette is really pretty. And the 2 lip products. Yes. Okay, so that's everything that I got in my June BoxyCharm base box and Luxe box. If you guys want to sign up for BoxyCharm, I'll have a link down below. I'll also link my BoxyCharm playlist. You can watch like 7 years of me opening up BoxyCharm boxes every month. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.